Hello guys, welcome to Fire Workshop, and in today's video I'll be unboxing and reviewing the Redgear Cosmo 7.1 headset. These are like connected to a PC via a USB cable. So obviously for those of you who don't want to use the aux cable of your PC, so these are like pretty good value for money. Also these are having a pretty decent mic. So let's just get on with the unboxing video first of all, and then I'm going to be showing you how to install the software to run these particular headset on your PC. And thirdly, I'm going to be reviewing these headsets, so let's just get started with the video. So let's just cut this package open. So I'm going to be using my angle grinder to just cut this. Or better, let me just use my jigsaw. Or I guess we should use something more generic such as a cutter. It will also work. So let's just cut this puppy open. The audio that you're hearing right now is actually recorded from the microphone of this particular headphone. Now I bought these headphones from Amazon at a price of 1800 rupees, and these are the white ones, so I got this for a price of 1800 rupees. The black ones were available for a price of 2000 rupees, but in some time, like for example in some hours, it also went on a lightning deal at the price of 1900 rupee. I bought the white one because it was like matching with my monitor and all, but yeah, sometimes the price of these headphones actually go down to as low as 1500 rupees or 1600 rupees. Another thing that I'd like to mention is that the packaging for these particular headphones is far better than the Cosmic Byte G1500 headphones. The packaging materials and all that stuff, even the box was containing a seal. It's pretty dope. Now I just connected these pairs of headphones to a USB port in my computer, in my PC, and these headphones, this is how the headphones look like when they are just plugged in. So only red color will flash. Over here on this controller you can see there are a lot of buttons. There are 4 buttons in total for volume up, volume down, and also for to disable the mic. And you can see over here the light in the mic button actually got actually just it just like turns off when you just disable the mic. And obviously you have the option of changing the colors over here. If I just press the button, so the colors will change, and over here there are 7 colors, and after that there is like one white and then off, and then when you just press this one more time, so it will just like go into a color cycle mode, so it will just cycle between all the 7 colors. So this is how these headphones work, and obviously you don't need to install a driver to just like make these headphones work with Windows 10. However, when you install the drivers, you do get a lot of features that are like built into these headphones. So let's just install the driver on our PC. Now to install the driver for these headphones, you need to go to the description box of this video and click the link. So it will be like you will be redirected to this particular site, and then you have to just click on download drivers. And for my case, it's actually this one. So in this, it's written that month and year of import, January 2021. So which in my case is these are the latest ones. So I'm going to be clicking over here. If you have an older model, so obviously on the box itself is just mentioned which model number or which year, month and year your model has been imported, your headphones have been imported. So in my case, this is the second one, so I'm just going to be clicking on this one. So I'll be redirected to Google Drive page, and over here I'm just going to click on this download button right here. All the screen recordings have been done using the microphone of these particular headphones, and as you can see, the microphone quality is pretty damn amazing for these headphones. So it will just take some time for the downloading to complete. So it's just like 20 MB, so my internet is pretty fast, so it's just like downloads within a very short period of time. I'm just gonna go to the softwares, and let me just go to the software and game. Over here you can see the zip file has been downloaded. Now we're gonna extract this zip file, so we're gonna click on extract files and okay. So this folder has been created. So now we are going to go to this and we're going to extract files. By the way, this is the manual and these are the instructions. So obviously in the instruction it's just mentioned, okay, so if your batch number is this, so you have to just download this one. Otherwise you have to download the older drivers. So I'm just going to extract these files. I'm going to extract these files. Okay, so the extraction has been complete. So these files have been unzipped. So we're just gonna go, in my case I'm just installing it for the Windows 10, so I'm just gonna click on Windows 10 over here, and then I'm gonna click on the setup. So it will just run the setup. I'm just gonna click on yes, and over you can see the installation wizard is just like running, and it will just take some time. So we're gonna click on next and accept and agree to the license, and next, and then install. Now, once you restarted your PC, so this is the software. So this is the this particular this thing is the software. So it will actually automatically be running as a background app in your PC. So over here you can also click over here and then just click on open. It's exactly similar to what I have got in the Cosmic Byte G1500 headphones, and those headphones I have been using for almost 6 months now. So I'm also going to be comparing these headphones with the Cosmic Byte G1500 headphones. So do check out that review as well. So I'm just going to go to the volume control. Over here you can see now, over here you can just adjust the volume, and obviously it's just like it's a similar case with here as well, like you can adjust the volume from here as well. So the sample rate for these headphones, so you have to just keep it at 48 kilohertz, don't keep it at 41.4 kilohertz. So just use the highest sample rate possible. And same goes for the microphone as well. And obviously you do get a lot of effects. For example, I can just tune my voice. So
Right now I might be sounding like a duck.
Now I might be sounding like a dinosaur.
Now this is the male voice.
And this is a female voice.
I'm gonna disable this bullshit. Obviously you can also enable the microphone boost. That will enable your microphone to just like get it will just like adjust the gain of the microphone to a higher level. And obviously these are the volume controls. So this is the mic in, and obviously this is the monitor. So you just have to disable the monitor. You just, if you don't want to hear your microphone input through your headphones, so obviously I'm just gonna disable that. And secondly, so this is all, guys. And secondly, this is the 7.1 virtual speaker shift. So for example, you can just bring the speakers closer to you or far away from you. You can just like switch, you can just rotate the speakers from here and there. You can just adjust these, and obviously you can just adjust the 7.1 surround sound effect. And if you want the maximum surround sound effect, you can just enable this one. So this is the this is the enable X-Ear surround max. So obviously this is just gonna enhance the surround sound. So I just keep it at I just keep it disabled, because obviously it's just like I just don't like this. I just don't like this particular feature. Now, coming to the first impression of these headphones. So these headphones are actually really comfortable. You can see that the foam is actually pretty thick on this one. These cover your ear really well. The Cosmic Byte G1500, as far as I remember, I have been using the Cosmic G1500 for about 6 months now, and those actually didn't cover the ear fully. So at the back of the ear, so these were like, there was a air hole or something like that, and the foams were also like not this thick. So this is actually a pretty good pair of headphones, and these are really comfortable. These are even lighter than the Cosmic Byte G1500, which is actually pretty surprising for me, because I thought that these are gonna be heavier than those, but these are actually lighter than those. Secondly, the mic and all, it's just like pretty similar between both these headphones. Secondly, coming to the sound quality, so the sound quality for the Cosmic Byte G1500 is a teeny tiny bit better than these ones. I'd say like the difference is not that much, but yeah, these actually, like, these are really loud. These are the Cosmic G1500, but not that loud, but these are like hell loud. Even if I just compare them with the inbuilt speaker of my monitor, so these are actually louder than the speakers that are built into this monitor. So you can imagine now how loud these are. So I mean, if I just like keep them over here, these can like act as a speaker. So this is these headphones are this loud. And even one of my friends just told me that she just like goes to another room and then she can also hear the audio from these headphones. So these are that loud. So just don't underestimate these, and just don't use these at 100%. Otherwise, you're just gonna blow your ears. I personally am using them at 20% volume. I cannot go above 50% at max. 50% is just the limit for me. I can't go up to 100% for sure by putting them on my ears. No way I can do that. Secondly, the RGB lights and all that stuff, the customizable things. So this is actually a pretty good feature. So for example, in my setup, actually I love the pink light. So obviously I just like keep the headphones on the pink. So therefore, it's actually a pretty good, like, I mean, these are actually pretty customizable. In the Cosmic Byte G1500, you were not getting these kind of features. In the Cosmic Byte G1500, the LEDs actually like randomly changed colors, and obviously you had no control over that. But in this one, you do have the control over that. The build quality is actually pretty nice, and these actually feel like really good. The head support, the headband and all that stuff, it's also really comfortable. And obviously you can see, you can just put them on, and this actually like stretches a bit, and if you have a big head, so it can actually accommodate your head, no problem at all. So these are a really good deal. And obviously if you're looking for headphones, and if you're just like looking for a gaming headphones, especially the gaming headphones, and you want that 7.1 surround sound effect, so because the surround sound effect on the Cosmic Byte G1500 as well as this one is just dope, is just pretty dope. You can just hear the directionality of the volumes, and I mean all the sounds and all that stuff while you are in the game. And obviously like these are like really good pair of headphones. and obviously, I mean, these are comfortable to wear. You can just like use them for around 5 to 6 hours, no problem at all. If you can use the Cosmic Byte G1500, as I told you, they are heavier than these headphones. So some people think that these are heavier, but I don't think so. These are not heavy at all. Cosmic Byte G1500 were heavier than these headphones. So obviously, so long duration use, not a problem at all. But yeah, I mean, if it's like really hot outside, so obviously you might just sweat a lot. So obviously you do have to like take care of that. In my room, so I just usually use AC, the air conditioning, so it's not a problem for me, by the way. So, but the thing is that yeah, still, if you are just living in a like hot climate, so I would not prefer you to just buy these headphones or any headphones for that matter. And I would just prefer you to buy a good pair of earphones or the TWS wireless earbuds. For example, right now I'm having these earbuds, so these are the Petron earbuds. These are the Basebud Pro, and I can also like I do also have to make the review for these ones as well. So my final verdict is just go for it if you're into PC games and if you want to watch movies. These are like perfect. These are like really good pair of headphones. You will love using them. Mic quality is superb. So that's my final verdict, and obviously these are pretty comfortable as well, as I already mentioned. So that's all for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video and if you are like new to this channel, so do hit the subscribe button. So it actually helps the channel a lot if I just like gain more subscribers. So obviously, guys, so thank you all for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.